guys, I think I found some big silver here. It's a walking liberty. That is a great find. I'm happy. Civil War bullet number 2. Something good, at least I think it's good. Check it out.
That is a cannonball.
No, it can't be.
Why can't it?
Hey guys, today is the day before Hurricane Irma hits Greenville, South Carolina. We're trying to get out there before all the devastation hits. So we're going to do a last minute metal detecting hunt at the golf course before it blows off the map. So hopefully we find some of that good stuff that's still out there. Right.
More gold.
More gold. He wants more gold. I want some too. So we'll see how things go. Hopefully this go well and we can find some good stuff in there. Just a spoiler alert. Expect wind noise. It's windy out there, okay? So here we go.
Wish us luck.
Well, we're here. I'm sure we're going to have a lot of wind noise on this. And we're going to try to get a few hours in, or a couple hours, whatever we're allowed, or whatever we think we can stand with all this wind. And it's kind of cool too, and I didn't come prepared. He did. He's got a hoodie on. Today I put on the Nell hunter foil, and see if I can do something good with that. The sky's all gray. She's coming. She's going to be relentless. I can't wait. Well, I think Irma is scaring all the good stuff away. We've been out here a while, and I don't know how Tracy's doing. That, whatever it is, it's my best thing. Looks like a piece of hardware that goes on a mechanical device of some sort. We're going to give it a little bit more here. This ain't going to be much of a video if I don't, right? So, wish us luck at this point. I'm going to use one of Tracy's phrases. Wish us luck. I got a signal, laid my detector down, dug a hole here. It was trash. I wanted to pick my detector up. I set it right down beside tiny little eggshell out here in the middle of nothing. How'd it get there? Well, I'll tell you how it got there. Birds will, once their chicks have hatched, once their chicks have hatched, they'll carry any evidence that there is baby birds in the area, like eggshells, even poop, away from the nest and drop it someplace that's not around the nest, just to keep the predators from knowing where they're at. Yeah, windy. Irma wind. There's a whole lot of wind right here in this little spot. Whole lot of wind. Concentrated. Let's keep going for a little bit here. Tracy's way over there, looking for another ring, I'm sure. He thinks he's such a big shot. Well, wait till he gets a load of mine. Yeah. Well, I just pulled the most interesting thing that I dug out of the ground today, and when you see it, you're going to think, man, Mike, that's sad that that's the most interesting thing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, and you got a hurricane bearing down on you. It's just not your day, is it, Mike? No, it's not. But I'm out here. Yeah, it's kind of fun. You know, I'm enjoying it. Well, let me show you what I found. Check it out. That is an old lead bullet. Not terribly old, but it is lead. That's the most interesting thing I found today. Well, we almost made it to the car. I even popped the trunk because I knew Tracy's going to be there before me. I got a signal. I finally got my first coin of the day. This is a zinc penny. There's a coin. I got one. Throw your finger up in the air and twirl it around. Woohoo. Well, we didn't blow away. We should have by all rights with all that wind. And we really didn't find anything either. But we will show you what we did find. I think all the good stuff got scared when they heard the hurricane was coming and took off. Yeah. So this is what we got. I'll show you what Tracy got. He got him 35 cents, a quarter, and a dime. Let's get the camera on focus here. And he got himself an ignition switch. Huh, weird, huh? Me, I got my own ring. A couple pieces of copper, odds and ends. You know, I don't know what that is. I thought I had something silver. Right at the end, I got myself a zinc penny. So I got a coin, I got that lead bullet, and this thing, you know, I found enough Indian arrowheads in Pennsylvania that this just kind of caught my eye, and it for sure looks like it was at one time a point. So who knows, that might be the best find. But that's it. That's what we got. And from here on, we have hurricane, so we'll enjoy that. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully it's a good hurricane. We'll see.
Don't blow us away.
Right. Well, there you go, guys. We survived the Hurricane Irma metal detecting hunt. It was awful windy out there. Windy and cool. And tonight that thing's going to hit us. So hopefully everybody will be okay. I'm sure we're going to have some trees down, some power lines out. I'm sure there's going to be some damage, but I hope there's no loss of life. I know there's already been quite a bit of that going on with this hurricane coming up through. So hopefully we get away from that. I hope you like the video, guys. I know there's really nothing to it. We found nothing. We really, our finds were pitiful. But we wanted to get the hunt in before this hurricane hits, and just to say we did it, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, we'll catch you later.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.